We are now in front of 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄, which is also known as the Green River. Its name comes from the color of the river. It flows through the city of Amasya, this city with a rich history and culture. This river played a very huge role in the city, and it goes against the well-preserved Ottoman Empire houses with this beautiful mountains and scenery. The scene looks so beautiful. When I came to Amasya city, I felt like I am coming to one of these small European towns. The city looks really beautiful, especially at night. You can see all these beautiful lights and colors. For me, Amasya city was a complete surprise. I didn't imagine seeing that much beauty in this area. It's kinda between the Karadeniz and the İç Anadolu. This place is amazing for traveling and visiting. There are these beautiful boats you can take, and you can take a spin in the river. The river is really long across the city.
Amasya is also known as Apple City. They make their very special apples into so many types of products. While I was walking the market, a local store offered me a free sample of the apple tea, and it was really amazing. I couldn't resist to buy from it. Here they make almost everything from apples. Ice cream, apple tea, dried fruit, so many products. If you come to Amasya, make sure to take your apples. I can definitely say at this part of the world, humanity still exists. As I was walking down the streets of Amasya, I saw people of Amasya going out shouting for brothers and sisters in Palestine. What is happening there to our kids, sisters and brothers is absolutely unspeakable. Half of the people of this city still alive. May Allah help our brothers and sisters in Palestine. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Amasya is really a beautiful city. I'm waiting your opinion about Amasya in the comments. Stay tuned for more amazing journeys.